Hoi, ik ben Mr. Power. Welcome back to another new video. Today it's time for a POV video again. So we gotta take a ride. And today we're doing it in 143. This is a dream come true, guys. Take a look at this truck. This is the truck from 033Containers. That's the town code of Amersfoort. That's the 033. Absolutely lovely truck with the huge stacks on the back of the cab, with the heat shields. Those sound absolutely amazing. Absolutely love this truck. Side pipe as well. Sounds awesome as well. Just a pure sound, so no all the snake kind of thing underneath the truck. But trust me, this one sounds absolutely amazing. Twin tech. Chassis covers on the back and a nice back bumper with the hamburger lights. Just look at the finish on this one. Absolutely awesome. Love the paint job on this truck. Beautiful color, a metallic dark blue. Here with a nice old school tank. And what I do like is they used all the clear glasses on all the double burners. Let's get to the front of the truck a bit. Bit of the black on the truck to contrast it a little bit with the silver lines. Here on the front of the truck, again everything is with the clear glasses and the bulb kind of looks. So everything is 5 watts. Beautiful on this truck, and it's an original 500. I love that. And what I wanted to create on this truck is a bit of a different kind of look and kind of theme, because normally up there you use the lights boards with the horns beside them and the beacons and the lights, you know. But they wanted to have a low roof, so like this one. And then they started doing the donkey lights there on the corners of the cab. Then with the 4 Net Kings and the 3 clear glasses in the middle. With of course the nice lower sun visor. Just look at this thing. Let's hop on in and we'll see you inside for a little spin in the industrial estate. See you in a bit. So, here we are. Inside of the mighty 143. This is a dream come true, guys. Original steering wheel. I got joined by my lovely girlfriend in here. So for the interior, we got a smooth panel here on the upper bed, on the foldable bed with the V8 logo. Of course in the blue lights because of the outside. Blue sky with the blue lights. I don't know if you can see them. I'm sitting really weird right now because of the camera. Nice smooth panel here on top of the engine and with the gearbox with the Scania logo. All stitched, very nice. And we're gonna take this truck for a little spin. Let's lower the window, because if you look in the mirror, she sounds proper. This is awesome. Let's go. As you can tell, the bottom pipes are a little bit, they're not so loud. They're coming right out of the engine, complete a straight pipe, so that's why it whistles all the time with the turbo. I absolutely love that, because if I give it a little throttle, listen to that. That's awesome. In a bit we go to the stacks. Let's go. I just love the way this truck sounds. Just look, hear this whistle, listen to this. Just whistles all the time when you are slowing down. It's just awesome. That tone, I love it. I love it. Roundabout to the right. Oh, what a machine to drive, guys. Absolutely awesome. Living the dream again. During the golden hour. inside the windows. Now if we go to the stacks, press the magic button, trust me, this sounds awesome. Well, you can tell it's a 500. Man, this power is awesome. I want this truck, guys. Listen to this. Oh man, that tone. Lovely sunset on the background. What else do you want more? Well, maybe a heavy load or something. But not on this one. Truck spot is over here. This is the sons of the owner. What a machine. Let's go to the bottom pipe again. Flip the switch. Listen to this. Oh man, I'm loving life. Well, you can tell it doesn't have air suspension. Oh, that turbo whistles. Oh man. In between these buildings, I'm going for the stacks. Watch for the cyclists. They love it. Woo, those net gains, mate. Oh man, those cracks. Thank you very much to the owner, by the way. Niels, you're a nice guy. Thank you very much for this. And of course to your sons for all the enthusiasm. Awesome guys, I really appreciate this. Oh, even in the lower revs, this truck sounds awesome. If this doesn't deserve a like, guys, driving a 143, the mighty 143, living the dream. There we go again. They love it. Even when you drive quite normal in the lower rev range, shifting in the green zone over here just sounds awesome. Flick the switch again for the bottom pipe. I love that downshift. Listen to that turbo whistle. Here are the owners. Thank you guys. They kindly arranged for me that this truck is mine for the whole weekend. So thank you very much, guys. They're heading home again. Absolutely awesome. Really appreciate that. All for you guys, by the way, to play around in these kind of trucks. Awesome. By the way, guys, let me know in the comments down below. What do you like more, the bottom pipes or the stacks? I must say, I don't even know, because I just like the deep rumble on the bottom pipes, so like we're doing right now, or the magic switch. But I think I prefer these ones because these have a more crack to it. Absolutely love that. This is a lovely bit because we can do the sound against the building over here. So let's go for that. He likes it. Watch the scooters. What a machine, guys. What a machine. What a dream. Do you like it as well, dear? Yeah, she approves. Well, we're going for a last little spin. Then we park it back up. Let it rest for a bit. Because always for a Mr. Power video, you have to do this, right? don't forget guys, I got permission to do this, so I just want to make sure that every kind of rev range is on video for you guys. So let me know down in the comment section down below, what do you think of this truck? I love it, color wise, the looks of the stacks with the engraved 033 letters, absolutely like it. And this is their hobby truck, by the way. They're doing a bit of a transport of containers, of course. So they lose it at the customers. They will fill it up with wood or stones or anything, and then they pick it back up, go to the scrap yard, and then they're collecting it again. And this one just sits, sleeping, and sometimes go out for something like this. Oh man. And by the way guys, did you know with the 3 Series Scanias, you got of course the 420s, the 450s, the 470s and the 500s. But all the other trucks, when you want to switch off the truck, you have here these holes. And normally there's a braking brake right here, and that's what you use. Well, there's a trailer brake and another one, and you pull it and then the engine switches off. But with the 500 engines, so like this one, you just use the key to do it. So it got an electronic start and stop system. So that's how you can recognize if it's an original 143 500 instead of a 450 or anything. So for now, flick the switch one more time, and then we park it back up. So for now guys, I want to thank you all for all the support lately, all the subscribers. Now I'm doing the English kind of videos, so like this one as well. I really can see you all guys really appreciate it. I'm doing it in English. And I like doing it as well, because now I can make myself clear to everyone. So please like this video for that one. Write a comment down below what you think, of course, of this truck and the sounds. And yeah, keep the support going. I really love you guys. One more time, and then I will end this video. So please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you guys. See you later.